Hi and welcome to the Wait. Today we will be discussing about the new labor code. One of the major provisions of the new labor code is the 4 or 5 day work week. So before that, my kind request to all the subscriber is to subscribe to the channel The Wait. हमारे हिंदी के सब दर्शकों के लिए ये बता दें कि आज हम द वीट के इस एडिशन में बात करेंगे न्यू लेबर कोड के बारे में, जो कि न्यू लेबर कोड में एक प्रोविजन है कि 4 या 5 डे का वर्क वीक किया जाए। ज्यादातर भारत में 6 दिन का वर्क वीक होता है, एक संडे में छुट्टी मिलता है। ये न्यू लेबर कोड के आ जाने पर क्या हमें 4 दिन हफ्ते में या फिर 5 दिन तक काम करने की मौका मिलेगा, या फिर same as usual we have to work for 6 day or 7 day in a week? Before that, please the Wait को सब्सक्राइब करें। So let's see the provisions of the new legislation. What are the existing legislations? What are the existing law? लॉ और कोड में क्या डिफरेंस है? लॉ एक स्पेसिफिक एरिया को कवर करता है, जबकि एक कोड उसी एरिया में किए जाने वाले सारे लीगल एस्पेक्ट्स को कंबाइन करता है। द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए लॉ एंड ए कोड इज लॉ कवर्स ओनली वन पर्टिकुलर एरिया, whereas the code is the combination of the laws already prevailing in a country about a certain thing, right? So employment law talks about employment, but the code of labor law or labor code, it talks about all the laws, all the legal legislations about the field of labor and employment. So what are the existing laws that cover our employment and the labors of the nation? That are the Industrial Employment Standing Order Act 1946, then comes the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, Trade Union Act 1946. As you can see, most of the laws are of British era law. So the time has come to realize that we need a law, we need a code that will be for and made by the modern India, right? So the new law is the Industrial Relations Code 2020. So what are the new proposals? And we are not discussing the whole of labor law. There are something more about CTC, will come up with it, but let's discuss about the specific proposals, that is about the work-life balance. Okay, so new proposal, there are 4 day work week, हफ्ते में 4 दिन काम करने का मौका मिल सकता है, free medical checkups of the employees, and employers will soon have the flexibility to choose between 4 day and 5 day work week models based on the sectors of the requirement. So after COVID, it is a high demand from both from the employee and employer to allow people to work from home, to allow people to have long holidays, so that there will be no infection and the infrastructure cost can be lowered, right? So ये जो मॉडल है, this has already been implemented in Germany and it is successful. Germany is having 4 day work week and it's successful. And in a case-to-case basis, Microsoft has experimented the same thing in their Japan office, and the productivity shoot up to 40%. So this is phenomenal. So if you allow your employee to work 4 days a week, the productivity goes up. So and everyone wants their employee to remain healthy so that they can contribute more and more to the organization. So now with the new labor code in India, the companies, the employers will have the choice to allow their employee to choose between 4 day work week or 5 day work week at max. So the new regulated working hours will also be there. If you will have to work for 4 days, definitely you have to work some more longer hours. So let's see what is there about working hours in this bill. New code will set the ceiling on no more than 48 hours of a week, but would mean longer working hours. Okay, so what it says, you will allow, there will be a ceiling of not more than 48 hours of work a week, but would mean longer working hours. So that means if a person works 12 hours a day, he will be allowed to work for 4 days. No company can exploit their no employer can exploit their employees beyond 48 hours a week. So at max you can work 48 hours a week, and if it is 4 days then you have to work 12 hours. If it is 5 days then 48 divided by 5. So you can divide, the employer has the choice to divide the maximum 48 hours. So beyond 48 hours you cannot retain your employees inside the office premises. Companies will have to give 3 days of paid leaves and 12 hours of work per day to their employees with no consent of the worker, with the consent of the workers, right? So 3 days paid leaves of 12 hours of work per day to their employees with the consent of their workers. If workers agree, companies can give 3 days of paid leave and 12 hours of leave per every single day an employee worked in their factories. It gives flexibility. It is an enabling provision in sync with the changing work culture. Employers will no longer have to seek government approval to switch between the 4-day work week or a 5-day work week. So the things that we need to remember, the current workforce, which is basically full of the young talents, the younger generation, is not here to work whole day, right? They believe in work hard, party hard culture. They need time for their social engagements. So companies have to change. Otherwise, people are not here to only work and to only earn money. People are similarly worried about to spend quality time with their beloved ones, and they believe in having chill out parties. So things are going to change hereafter. If the conventional workforce will be there like the older generation were having, they were happy with a 10 to 5 work culture and they can go to office every single day. So this is not going to work with this younger generation. So what could be the pros and the cons of this segment of this 4 or 5 days work week? Imagine a company doing the same work in 4 days instead of 5 or 7 days. The benefit of saving 1 day of operational cost, that's a big positive. You also understand that the infrastructure cost is very high for running a business, running a office. So because companies spend a lot on electricity, etc. So if they save 2 or 3 days in a week, it will also save their expenditure. It will benefit sectors such as information technology and shared services. In the banking and financial services industry, 20 to 30% people can use the long working hours template for 4 or 5 days, stand and enjoy a longer break. Profiles like human resources and finance verticals can easily adopt such practice faster. Some of the more recent examples of a successful 4-day work week implementation includes Microsoft's Work-Life Choice Challenge 2019 summer and Germany's 2009 short time working program, right, about which I was discussing. The tech giants experiment in Japan with a reduction in the work week by 1 day resulted in a 40% surge in the productivity. The center is also planning to launch portal for the organized labor this year. The portal will collect relevant information on gig, building and construction workers among others. All workers in organized and unorganized sectors will be covered by ESI. Women will be allowed to work in all kinds of trade and allowed to do the night shifts as well. So what could be the cons of this implementation? Only white collar jobs in corporate offices can have a system of 4-day working. So this cannot be implemented to factories where other employees, the labor class is working, because physical labor is something that is necessary to run factories. And a few industry experts are also of the view that implementation of a 12-hour working per day could also reduce female workforce participation, because it's impossible for female to engage 12 hours a day in their office premises. They have a family to look after. They have their limitations. India's female workforce participation rate stood at 20.33% as on the year 2020. 12 hours a day may dissuade women from joining the workforce. Business operations will have to stay short for 72 hours every week. So this could be a challenging. Those companies are engaged with customer interactions. Human resource experts said that there could be no more than a handful of companies who could implement this 12-hour work week. Right. So what could be the road ahead? Most of the states are finalizing the draft rules on labor codes. The Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh are likely to do it anytime soon. The center will not wait for all the states to notify their rules. The new definitions of waste and factories, stronger safety norms and expanded social security coverage to the gig economy require stakeholders and recognize and strategize for the smooth implementation of the codes and save the employment ecosystem in the country. So this is it in this edition of the WIT. Especially we wanted to focus that yes, there is a possibility that there could be a 4 or 5 day work week in India as well, and it is beneficial. Employers should implement this as fast as possible. So thank you for being with us. We are here committed to bring you to expand this network. So we just request your help, your subscription, your motivation. Thank you for being with us. Thank you.